Yeah, good day everyone. Now, last section I explained about the ways in ordinating the architectural design, which I tried to explain that some architects might have provided you with the basic interior layout, but despite that, you still have to work on the positioning. And the major consideration is the soil stack and the valve regulators. So here is another architectural design that doesn't even have the interior design. So here is the architectural design. Let's consider this our bedroom or WC. So I said the soil stack requires a web wall, which is always a 9-inch block. So let's take the dimension of this wall. So 230 here. So from our entrance point, the first consideration is to place our WC. You come over here, we work in legend, right? So Control C, over here Control V. Yeah, what's the standard? Because the project might not be using the same standard. So let's take the dimension of our WC from here to here, straight for within range. The minimum is 600 mm, so still within the range. So where is the best position? Basically, we do prefer to put our WC close to the window so that we can have our wall type extractor fan above it, but sometimes it might not be the best approach. So let's just try to consider it from the aesthetical and the technicalities involved. So if we have it here, we can have for this our dimension. Let's take the dimension of our bedroom again, area. So having 3 meters. So with this dimension, so it's obvious that we can't use a walk-in shower for this our project. We'll be using a wet shower. So for a wet shower, the major consideration is the drain, where to put the drain. So here is an arrangement, and we have our shower head here. But for me as a professional, I actually dissent with this arrangement because we do use the WHB more often than other fixtures in our bedroom. But because of the sizes, that's why I'll have to agree with this design, because it will be better to have our WHB here. Okay, yeah, it will be better to have our WHB somewhere so that it will be easily accessible. So another thing we have to take into consideration is that it's better to have an architect that has already done the interior design, so it will be more easier to criticize than for you to be the interior designer and to still work on the best position. So we'll have to repeat the same process for the entire WC or for the entire toilet in the project. So let's proceed. So I'll be doing that on my own. You can definitely work that from your own end too. So see you next class, where I'll be explaining about the first step in water distribution system. Keep tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.